What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Binance to UAE bank account. So if you're looking for a way to withdraw money here from your Binance account to an UAE bank account, well, this one is really easy. So first things first is you want to go to your assets at the bottom right here, and you first need to trade your current cryptocurrency that you currently have. Like for example, if you currently have Solana, you may want to trade that first to USDT, a stable coin that you could get here on Binance. But once you have that, what you need to do is you want to access USDT and click on the USDT button. Now from here, you should see a bunch of options. Then you want to click on the transfer button here at the bottom right, and you want to choose the option here. So first is you want to select your option for spot wallet. So by the way, if you have it vice versa, go and click on the reverse button here. So it should be from your spot wallet to your funding wallet. Now you want to choose your coin here. So you could go and choose a USDT in here. So you should have, or you should be able to choose that, and you should be able to indicate how much you want to transfer in here. But once you click on transfer here and you're now ready, or once your funding wallet is now available, what you need to do is you just need to head over into the trade option at the bottom section of your screen, and you want to go to P2P at the very top section. Now in here, what we need to do is you want to go and choose the sell option. Now from here, you want to go and choose your currency at the top right here, and you want to go and just type in the following. It's going to be SAR. Now you can go ahead and just choose the currency that you want to use in here. But once you've chosen that, once you've pressed on the currency that you want to use, you now have the option to either choose buy and sell, as you can see right now at the top section. Go and choose sell. Now from here, you want to go and choose the payment option, and you can go and choose the option here, or the bank that you want to basically cash out or receive your funds. So you can go ahead and click on, like for example, this one. Again, this is just an example. Click on confirm, and it's now going to give you all the options that you could get. Now from here, if you want to get that specific, or if you want to sell to that specific user, by the way, there are certain limits here. Like for this specific user at the very top, the limit is around like 2,000 to 3 million SAR. So make sure you meet the specific minimum amount here. But if you click on sell here, it's now going to ask you about information on how much you want to sell, and also how much you are going to receive. And you can go and just select your payment method. So go and choose your bank option or the chosen bank that you want. But once you've done that, click on place order, and it should open up a new window, which you just need to interact with the user itself. They will give you instructions on what to do or what to proceed, and what screenshots you may need to proceed you need to provide them in order for you to complete the transaction. But that's about it. So that's how you make a transfer. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.